morning, students. Today we'll take a class on capsules. In the last, we have discussed about all the tablet-related coating tablets and their evaluation problems associated with all. So we'll start with a new chapter that is about the capsules. What exactly the capsules? How many types of capsules are available? That we will be discuss. So first thing is it is invented this capsule by Mathis and the Blanc, a Frenchman, and it is patented at 1834. James Murdoch 1848. So we'll see what exactly the capsules are. Hard gelatin capsules is also referred as dry filled capsules DFC, as the shell is hard and consists of two sections used for filling dry material in body capsules. So in general, in another way, are a solid dosage form in which one or more medicaments we can be enclosed in water soluble biodegradable shell made up of the main thing is it is denatured gelatin, polyvinyl alcohol and methyl cellulose are used to prepare a shell that is biodegradable. This is what the capsule shell is all about, hard gelatin capsule. As you see here in the image, we have a two part of these capsules, especially of hard gelatin capsules. One is called an cap, which is small than the body, and it is having a large diameter, little bit more than that of the body, and body is large in size and small in diameter. So the cap can fix the body. So these are the two main parts of the capsules, in which the body we are going to add any one or other two more medicaments inside and it will be filled. Basically these gelatins we are using two types, type A and type B gelatins. That is based on what precursors we are using and what purpose we are using this capsules. It may be an acidic pH, it may get dissolved more, or it may get dissolved in an alkaline pH. On the basis of that, it is categorized into two types, A and B. A is an treated precursors. Acid, it is derived from acid treated precursors, and it is having an isoelectric point in the region of pH 9. You can see here treated acidic pH, but it is isoelectric point is pH 9. Isoelectric point means what? The point at which it will behaves like neutral, both it will have equal amount of charges, acidic and basic behavior, like that. Type B, which is derived from an alkaline treated precursors, where its point in the region of pH is isoelectric point is 4.7. So it is almost nearby acid treated with alkaline precursors, that is almost alkaline pH treated by acidic precursors. So in this way it is made up of. Mainly why we are going for an capsules when we have a tablet and other oral dosage form. The advantages we have is obviously very easy to solve and to their smooth and slippery nature, and handling and care should be very easy. And most of the powder form or pungent or to avoid the mask, to unpleasant taste, color and odor is the best way to do in a capsule form. And bioavailability is maximum, because when we administer the capsules, once it will be get disintegrated in the any of the body fluid, within 15 minutes to 30 minutes everything will be exposed immediately, and the fast absorption and available will be also more. So bioavailability may be increases, and the shells are physiologically inert, so can it will not interact with the chemicals present inside, will be the beneficial one. And the shells can be opacified by using an titanium dioxide or colored to give protections from the light. Two major disadvantages we have with the capsules, that is the which kind of products we should not add into the capsules. It is used for the administration of extremely soluble materials such as potassium chloride and potassium bromide or ammonium chloride. We should not add this material into into the capsules. We should not usually use it for the administration of these things. Why? Because sudden release of this will be make disturbance in the stomach, could result in an irritating concentration. So this is why we should not use, because as I told, immediately once it will be get dissolved the shell, all the dose will be exposed to an biological fluid. So it may be an advantageous, but in some extent, like this kind of potassium chloride, potassium bromide, or ammonium chloride, which may cause the irritation in the stomach or any area where it will be dissolved, in that case it is be not, it is be an a disadvantage. And another one is an highly efflorescent or deliquescent material we should not be used in the capsule form. Basically, efflorescent material will be produced capsule softer because of the release of the gaseous material, make it a soft moisture, whereas deliquescent powder make it dry capsule cells to exist brittleness. It will absorb the moisture from that, because deliquescent liquid will be absorb the moisture, whereas efflorescent will give the moisture, make it softer. In this way, in both the cases, not the deliquescent, not the efflorescent material should be added into the capsule shells. It is not fit for that. And next thing is the what are hard gelatin capsules? It will contains 12 to 16% moisture. That is the most important thing. If it is increases more, it will become softer. If it will reduces then the 12%, it will become a brittleness. So it has to be in the range of 12 to 16%. And typically filled with the dry solids. Anything we can add like powders, granules, pellets, even some small tablets also, we will be filled with the capsules. And it also contains colorants and preservatives. Basically, the capsules are available in different sizes. The bigger sizes of the capsules will be 000 as around 1.37 cm cube is the volume, and the smallest one will be numbered as 5. So you should remember these two mainly: 000 to 00, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the minimum and 000 is the maximum. The minimum 5 is 0.13 cm cube, whereas the 000 is 1.37. The rest of 00 is 0.95, 0 is 0.68, 1 is 0.50, 2 is 0.37, 3 is 0.30, 4 is 0.21. So these are the size you should remember, because there is a two-way to fill the capsules. One, based on the size of the capsules, we can predict a dose, or predetermined dose may be filled. So this is the way. If we know the size of capsules properly, we can know the size or the dose of the medicament also. How we can manufacture of empty gelatin capsules will have basically these following steps, that is dipping, spinning, drying, stripping, trimming, and joining and polishing. So these are the process basically is involved in the preparation of empty gelatin capsule shells. What these are, you can see in this diagram exactly. There is a shell which have a nails of this, which will be dipped first in the gelatin, so can entire that the knives or this kind of rows will be, you can see here, this is like bullet, these are be will be dipped first here, so can it will be uniformly distributed. So it to distribute uniformly, the spinning process will takes place, so can uniformly surface thickness of the gelatin layer will be takes place here because of spinning. That will be allowed to dry after once it is uniformly distributed throughout this nails, and then it will be dried for an around 40 to 60 degrees Celsius based on the conditions. Once it will be dried, then there is a stripping process will takes place. One may be cut into body, another may be cut into cap. In this way, this stripping will be takes place. Once it is removed from the business, and then cutting will be takes place, as I told, body as well as cap. One, they all be separated and will be rejoined, and finally the capsule shell prepared from the gelatin will be produced. This is the simple way how the capsule shell will be formed, either hard gelatin capsule process. Another so many other methods are there. Rotary dry process is there for to produce an hard and soft gelatin capsules that we'll see in the next class. Thank you.